This is problem number 2 for neutral versus charge. You can use this as a form of reassessing by writing the answer down, writing the question and the answer down, and then showing it on assessment day or opportunity day. Okay? So let's get on with it. It says you have 2 charge ions. One has a positive 2 charge, one has a negative 1 charge. What is your overall charge now? Okay, so let's just say that these 2 charges came together. They just, came together. What would be their overall charge? Well, this is like math, simple math. So you got positive 2 charge coming together with a negative 1 charge. Okay, what is their overall charge? It's going to be a positive 1, right? You take away 1, you've just taken away a positive. So your overall charge is going to be a plus 1. Easy. Now, how can you make it a neutral atom, meaning no charge at all? Okay, so let's draw this visually. I was already doing something, I guess, so we'll stick with what I got going on here. Okay, so in this, I'm creating a nucleus. All right. Okay. So I have a positive 1 charge, which means I need to have some electrons out here. So let's see here. I have 4 protons. My red ones are protons. Okay, so here's a plus 1, here's a plus 1, here's a plus 1, here's a plus 1. All right, and now I'm going to add some electrons to my outside circle. It said that I actually had, it was a plus 1 overall charge. So let me just show you how this is a plus 1 overall charge. This is negative 1, negative 1, and negative 1. Let me explain myself now. Okay, so outside, these are my electrons, remember? Electrons have a negative charge. These red ones are my protons, and they have a positive charge. How many protons do I have? I got 1, 2, 3, 4, right? I got 4 protons, and I have 3 electrons. So here's another example. What is my overall charge? It is plus 1. How can you make this more neutral? The easy way to make this neutral would be to add a negative, right? Because now that I've added a negative, what I just did was I changed the game a little bit. Now I have 4 negatives. 4 negatives plus 4 positives is going to give you an overall 0 charge, okay? So the answer to this one would be add some electrons, or excuse me, and specifically add 1 electron. The reason I say specifically is because we know that this is a positive 1 charge. Okay, the end.